Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can find your user ID in Binance quickly and safely. Whether you need it for verification, customer support, or linking accounts, this step-by-step guide works for your mobile device immediately. First of all, open the Binance application on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Once done, tap on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Now click on your username at the top. On the next page, this will open up Account Info. You will see your Binance User ID at the top right underneath your username. Go ahead and tap on the two stacks square button right next to the User ID option to copy your user ID. Once you copy your user ID in your device's clipboard, you can use it for verification purpose or support. Your Binance User ID is not a password, but you should still never share it with untrusted sources. And that's it. Now you know exactly how you can find your user ID in Binance. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more crypto and app tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.